We're nearing the end of 2024 and we're getting ready to roll into 2025, which is kind of a monumental year. 2025 is just so futuristic sounding to me. I don't know why, but I'm into that kind of stuff. This year, I plan on doing a ton of reviews. I've already been working with quite a few companies about some new products that are coming out. So if you want to give me a very special Christmas present, you can hit that big red subscribe button down below. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing and installing the Ariel Rider Seat Riser. The Ariel Rider Seat Riser gives you the ability to increase the height of your riding experience on the X-Class and Grizzly by 3 inches. The installation is very smooth, very easy to do. The differences between the X-Class and Grizzly vary slightly, but Ariel Rider has those instructions in video form so you can see how to install this on your e-bike. I think it's an awesome product. They're very well made, really robust. They're going to hold your weight very well. I do wish to see a new version or a second version of this so that you can put the extended saddle on the riser. So if you have a passenger, they can be at the same height as you. Right now, the seat riser only works with a single seat. So hopefully in the future, they'll make a new product that will accommodate more than one rider. If you're a taller rider and your girl's short or something like that, or you have your kid on the back, it might be beneficial to only have the taller seat riser for you and have them sitting on the back. The extended saddle does work with the seat riser. It's just a little bit awkward looking. If you're sitting on the seat, you can't really see it anyways, right? This adjustment can improve the overall pedaling efficiency, comfort, and riding posture, especially for individuals who need a higher, more customizable seat position like myself. In the next Ariel Rider video, I'm going to be doing a full review of the seat riser and giving you my pedaling experience while I'm on the bike. I think that it's going to really help with gaining a little bit of exercise when I'm out on an e-moped. A lot of the e-moped style bikes are not really designed to pedal, but with the seat riser, it's going to give you a lot more comfort when pedaling your bike. It can be particularly useful for riders that take long rides or someone who wants a more ergonomic fit. So stay tuned. I'm going to be making another video where we go out and test this and see how well the riding capabilities are. So I'm really excited to see that. Right now it's pretty cold out. The Ariel Rider Seat Riser is available for $69 on their website. As you can see, it's a full metal construction. It's designed to be in the same shape as the frame, and it makes it really stand out when you have the seat on there. So it comes with all the hardware to install it. Super easy to do. There are a couple variations whether you're installing it on a Grizzly or an X-Class. Ariel Rider is kind enough to make an installation video for the seat riser. So once you make a purchase, you'll get that video. It'll show you how to install it. It's really easy. And I just want to take this moment to thank all the companies that I've worked with this year. I really appreciate all of you who have sent me their products to review. I do not take that for granted, and I'm really excited and happy that I'm able to create content with things that I love. So thanks for watching today's video. We're going to move on to the unboxing of the Ariel Rider Seat Riser. I hope you guys have a happy holiday, and I will see you in the new year. The Seat Riser. I know many of you have been waiting for this product, myself included, being a tall guy. I'm going to really appreciate this. This is compatible with the Ariel Rider Grizzly and the Ariel Rider X-Class and X-Class Step Through. Now, why would you want our seat riser? I think it's pretty obvious, but some of you are going to ask the question, why would you want this? This is for people who actually want to pedal their e-moped. This is going to give you about 3 inches more height on your seat. So if you're a taller rider, that'll elevate you a little bit. That'll give you the ability to pedal easier. Now, as you know, with e-mopeds, it's not the easiest to pedal, and getting a good leg extension to provide you some exercise is not very easy with these bikes without this. So that's why it's here. Definitely a really nice add-on to your Grizzly or X-Class, and they finally have some in stock. And I get to show you today for the first time what it looks like. So included in the box, in the package, you have a whole bunch of hardware, so some long hex head bolts here, washers, nuts, and some spacers. So we'll see where that goes. Set that to the side. But here's the seat riser. And it is an all metal construction. Has a place here for you to bolt your seat to.